Hello, please join me. This is a very beautiful song by Rod Stewart. Singing. Hi. I am sailing home again, across the sea. I am sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free.
I am flying like a bird across the sky. I am flying, passing nightward to be with you, to be free.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me through the dark night far away? I am dying, forever crying to be with you. Oh, can say. We are sailing, we are sailing home again, across the sea.
We are sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free.
We are sailing, we are sailing home again, across the sea. We are sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free. Thank you so much for joining me and for singing with me. Bye. You have a great voice.